In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up timers on the RED controller. So if you go to the blank screen, touch it and wait a few seconds, it wakes up and you can see this screen here, which is the home screen. If you press the three lines at the top, first thing we need to do is go to the power on off screen. So you can see there's three icons. This one is hot water, this one is in heating, and this is master mode. And they're changed by pressing them. So green means that the hot water is going to only operate during timers settings that we set up in a few minutes. If it's on red, it means all timers are ignored and the unit will run constantly. Likewise on the heating. So you'll notice here my heating is in red, which means whenever the thermostat comes on and sends a run signal into the heat pump, it will run. It doesn't matter what I do on the time clocks, they'll be ignored. If I want to do a combination of the run signal coming in and use the time clocks, you need to make sure that these are in green. So you press the button until they say green. So green is time clock and thermostat, and red is using thermostat only. Okay, so what this means is I can time clock my hot water, but there's no point time clocking my heating. So if I then press the lines again and go to the time clock scheduler, there are three. So this one here is scheduled for hot water. If I press right, I've got schedule for heating zone 1 and heating zone 2. So let's go and have a look at how this is done. So for instance, I would like to set a new timer. You've got an option 1, 2, 3 or 4. I'm going to do time clock number 1. Start on a Monday. I'm going to turn my heating on at 5 o'clock and I'm going to turn it off at, let's say, I don't know, midnight. Okay, so I'd like to do that on a Monday from 5 till midnight, or any time you like. Once you've done that, you can copy that to Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, all days, and then you press this button. And now you'll see, if you scroll through the days, the time clock has been copied. You can then do a second, a third, a fourth, and so on timer. But it's important to do each one. So that's heating zone 1. Heating zone 2, you would also need to set a timer. And hot water, you'd also need to set a timer. Once you've finished that, you press your button, save your changes. You would normally press the tick and then just go back to your on-off screen and make sure that these are green, not actually red, and it'll be fine.